In this video, I'm going to give you 5 productive activities that you can do when you're not producing music or writing a song. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I actually have a few bonus tips for you as well. My name is Lennon and I'm a dance music producer that goes by the name Sirius. On this YouTube channel, I hope to inspire you to improve your productions, your mixes, your masters, and help you navigate the music business. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out be discovered by new viewers and listeners. And I would appreciate if you join my Discord. That's the best place to reach me if you have any questions, and you can join an amazing community of sound designers, artists, producers, rappers, songwriters, you name it. We're all in there sharing amazing advice. So for productive thing number 1, I have recently found that playing video games has been very kind of inspiring and motivating for me to create more music. I really enjoy the colors, the different worlds that you can be placed in, and even the music. The music has been very inspiring to me to hear different types. I've recently finished playing my Spyro Trilogy game for the PS5 that recently, or PS4, that recently came out last year. I played those games as a kid, and I love the music, and I've really been able to immerse myself in those worlds, literally, and realms, and also be able to really pick up on the music. The second thing that I also really enjoy doing is reading a book. I've recently been getting into reading more because it really helps me disconnect from the entire world, getting away from my computer screen, getting away from my phone, my iPad, the TV, whatever, and just sitting down and indulging in a book and really hearing somebody else's perspective on whatever topic it is that I enjoy reading about. One of the best music business books out there is Donald Passman's All You Need to Know About the Music Business. And I highly, highly recommend it. He's an attorney, has been in the entertainment industry for 30 plus years, and has a really interesting sense of humor and really distills all of the topics that you would ever need to know in the music business. So be sure to get a highlighter, a notepad, and take some hefty notes. The third thing that I recommend doing is learn a new skill. Pick up something that you really enjoy. Maybe there's a hobby that you're really interested in, but you haven't had the time to do it. Set aside some time to learn that new hobby. Maybe it's learning a marketing skill for your music. Maybe it's learning Facebook ads. Maybe it's learning Google ads. Maybe it's learning a YouTube strategy. Maybe it's getting on TikTok and learning out how TikTok functions and researching TikTok. So there's a lot of different skills that we as musicians and artists and creatives can use to really benefit ourselves in our careers so that we can kind of better understand what it is that we want, and then be able to provide some direction when we're hiring these people like a graphic designer or a marketing expert or whomever. We can understand the lingo that they may use. Number 4, exercise.
You should get one of these.
No, thank you.
Do you even know what this is? It is a fitness orb, and it has completely changed my life.
Go outside, go for a walk, go for a run, go to the gym, whatever it is that you enjoy doing. As creatives and musicians, we can sit in a studio or at a computer for 12, 15, 16 hours at a time. And I really, really don't encourage that. I encourage you getting up for a couple hours or an hour every now and then to go for a walk, go for a run, go to the gym or something to get the blood going and use those muscles that haven't been used all day. It's really been helpful for me. The 5th thing that I've really found helpful is to journal and write. I actually have a physical journal that I bought earlier this year that I will take out. I try to at the end of every day and write anything that comes to mind, whether it's how I'm feeling, something that I did today, something that I want to do, a goal that I want to set, something that inspired me, a picture that I saw, a person that I had a conversation with, a skill that I'm working on and learning. Whatever it is, just allow your mind to just freely write and just write whatever comes to mind. So wrapping up those 5 tips, we have play video games, we have read a book, learn a new skill, get some exercise, and then journal or write. First bonus tip is research a new topic or learn about the music business. So one of the things that, now this can go back into learning a new skill, but researching various topics within the music business is so important. And I talk about this a lot on my podcast, which you can see here. I'll put in a contact card here, a little card up in the corner here. But one of the things you can do is read up on the music business, read the Billboard articles, read Rolling Stone, read Music Business Worldwide, pick up a book, check out some music business podcasts, and learn the depths of the music business. There's a lot of amazing content creators out there and a lot of really, really great people that you can turn to for great advice. The second bonus step that I have for you is go on an adventure or a mini vacation. Now, this is kind of along the lines of exercise, what I mentioned earlier. This can be something as simple as getting in your car and driving an hour away from home, whether that's out to an open field, whether that's going to the beach, whether that's going to a friend's house, whatever it may be. Get in the car and go on an adventure and just enjoy Mother Nature and enjoy the outdoors. The third thing is to network on social media. When you're not actually producing music or writing a song, I find that it's very important for you to be networking on social media. I've found recently Reddit, follow a bunch of music business subreddits, and I've been in there answering people's questions to kind of help with my authority as a music business professional. But I've also been able to connect with other people and get people to join my Discord, which I would highly recommend. Link is in the description. But being able to connect and network with those professionals has been very important. And as any music professional will say, networking is key within this business. And kind of the last fourth tip that I have for you, and it's maybe a little bit more personal, but seek out mental health therapy and counseling. And I can't even begin to describe how incredibly helpful it has been to me in my career. I've learned so many different things, and I even wrote a little blog post on it, which I'll link in the description below, on how beneficial it has been for me to seek out mental health counseling. And it really, on a bi-weekly basis, I'm able to really connect and reflect on what it is, conversations that I've had, whether that's in my personal relationships, whether that's in professional relationships, the way that I communicate, boundaries, all kinds of different things. Everything that's going on in my life, I'm able to really distill that and reflect on it in a way that can be dissected with a professional. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Discord, Twitter, and Instagram, and let me know in the comments what you do to be productive when you're not writing music or producing music. I would love to hear it and see how you're able to keep going when you're not as creative all the time. So thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.